So tell us a little bit about your study that you're hoping to accomplish with this donation from Alison's Allies.
Okay, so the goal of our research that we're working on is understanding the role of interferon alpha in promoting triple-negative breast cancer in African American women. And we thought it was important to look at that patient population just because African American women are disproportionately affected by triple-negative compared to other racial groups. Triple-negative actually impacts about 3 times as many African American women as Caucasian women, and the overall mortality rate is 40% higher for African American women. So it's important for us to really understand the biology of triple negative, like what is it about this disease that makes it so aggressive. And so we've uncovered this interferon signaling pathway. Interferon is a cytokine that's usually secreted by immune cells in the body. And usually your immune cells is activated to protect us from viruses. It helps to build this defense to protect us from viral infection. But what we've identified is that interferons can also be used by the tumor cells to actually promote the aggressiveness of these tumors. And so the goal of what we're trying to do is to understand, why does interferon undergo that switch? Why does it undergo the switch from being protective in terms of being able to protect us from viral infection to then being able to promote tumorigenesis? And why is it specifically upregulated in African American women? So what role is this pathway playing in these women? So our studies are focused on understanding this pathway, and then we develop different breast cancer models to help us address that. And we also get clinical samples from African American patients from the biosample repository here at KU Med to help us to really come up with the holistic plan to address mechanisms of interferon action in these cancer cells.